In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a real MetaTrader 5 account. To get started, the first thing you need to understand is that a real MetaTrader 5 account is not created directly inside MetaTrader alone. You first need to register with a regulated financial broker that supports MetaTrader 5, such as Forex.com or FBS. The broker is the company that actually provides your live trading account, while MetaTrader 5 is the platform you use to access and manage it. Begin by going to the official website of the broker you want to use, for example, the official FBS website, or another broker of your choice. Once you're on the site, look for the option that says something like Open Live Account or Sign Up. Click that and start the registration process. You'll be asked to fill in your personal information, so make sure everything is entered accurately and matches your real documents. This is important because your details will later be checked during verification. After signing up, the next stage is identity verification, often called KYC, which stands for Know Your Customer. Regulated brokers require this step for security and compliance reasons. Typically, you'll need to upload a government-issued ID, along with proof of residence such as a utility bill or a bank statement. A useful tip here is to make sure your documents are clear, readable, and up-to-date, since blurry or expired documents can delay approval. Once your account has been verified, you'll need to fund it with real money. Most brokers offer several payment methods, including bank transfer, e-wallets, and credit or debit cards. Choose the method that works best for you, and make sure you check for any minimum deposit requirements or possible processing times before you continue. Now that your live broker account is ready, open your MetaTrader 5 program. At the top left of the platform, click File, then choose Open an Account. This will allow you to connect MetaTrader 5 to your broker's server. In the search field, type the name of your broker, such as FBS, and wait for the available server options to appear. Select the correct broker server, then click Next. After that, enter the login credentials provided by your broker for your live trading account. Be careful to use the trading account credentials, not just the website login, since these can sometimes be different. Once you enter the correct details and complete the connection, your real MetaTrader 5 account will be set up and ready to use. And that's all. You've successfully created and connected a real MetaTrader 5 account.